Chief,
Talk to me, Goose.
a lot of things have happened in the last few days.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
I don't want to argue with the people, but I think we found a way that we're going to keep this boat cool. And you know what? It's cool, especially for you budget-minded trawlers. Like me and Pete are not rich, in case you haven't guessed. Are we, Chief?
No. You can tell by my attire.
Anyway, today we're going to talk about what we did to the boat here, because I think it's a game changer for last year. I fought a little bit. I should have probably fought a little bit more, and I didn't know exactly the direction I wanted to go, but we knew the Salon Air was going out last year. When we left Gulf Shores, Alabama last year to head to the Bahamas, we replaced the front air conditioner with a marine air conditioner, and we deal with that air conditioner, and it works great.
Yeah.
It's the best money we ever spent.
Yep.
But you got to deal with all of the barnacles. You got to flush the system. There's monthly maintenance we have to do every single month to it, and we have to back flush it with Barnacle Buster and stuff like that. This air conditioner, I've talked to. I just saw Roy, who's getting ready to go over to the Bahamas in his boat, and he put a mini split in there, and so a lot of people are switching over to these mini splits.
Yeah.
But check out this right here, this air conditioner right here. I spent $389 at Home Depot, and when we put it in there, I'm going to take you outside here and show you the installation. We had to cut 2 boards, right?
Yeah.
And it was just so easy. And the big thing that I don't think a lot of people realize is air conditioning isn't blowing cold air in here. You got to remove the heat out of here, and if you can't get the heat out, they just don't work well. That's why the portable air conditioners don't work, because we couldn't get enough airflow to get the heat out of here fast enough.
Yeah.
And so it made for I don't want to say miserable, but it was an uncomfortable summer last year.
Yeah.
Hey,
It was tolerable, but that was about all you could say.
On a 90-degree day, it was 85 degrees in here.
Yeah.
Now with this air conditioner right here, I can set it. I typically set it at 74 degrees. I walk in here, it's 90 degrees outside. It got to 90 today almost. I think it was like 89 is where I saw the outside temperature, and it was 79 inside here.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, that's all the way at the back of the boat. So that was just super nice. So for you guys budget-minded trawler guys that that buy these boats, I don't particularly like the look of these air conditioners, but they are so efficient. This one's a Toshiba 10K. So 10,000 BTUs. It burns 990 watts power. So we're thinking we can run it on the solar for, we don't even know how long. What we're going to do one day is we're going to shut the power off to the boat, and we're going to switch over to just inverter and solar and see how long we can run this generator. Also, another thing, a new addition to the boat, Chief. Chief is kind of the Cinderella of the boat. He does a lot, 99% of all the cooking. He does his domain is the kitchen area, and the wash machine happens to be in there, so he does probably 70%. I do my fair share of the laundry, Chief.
Yeah.
But he does a lot of the laundry, and our old machine, he kept kicking it and
Rebuilding
pulling it apart. But we finally broke down and got a new wash machine for the boat, and right now it is on. It's running right now with my sheets in it. And you can't even hear it run. The old one, Pete, you couldn't.
Sound like thunder coming at you.
It sounded like a boat was going to come apart or something like that.
Yeah.
So we got a new air conditioner and a new wash machine, and we actually got the wash machine on sale.
Yeah, we got a new chair too, so we've been doing a couple of things.
Yeah, a couple remodels, things for this season. And that, like I said, the air conditioner is the biggest thing in here. I'm really going to, we'll test it on the solar for you guys to show you, what it really is capable of doing, and how long we can run the solar on it. Because what's cool about this now is we can go out this summertime, just turn the solar power on. We don't even have to run our main generator, and I know we can get 10 hours. No problem.
Our main generator is almost useless now because we just don't need it anymore. Not because it's useless, because it's from the 80s, and it's a 16 kW, or
I think it's a 12 kW.
Oh, 12 kW, which we can almost run this boat off a 2,000 watt
Honda generator.
2,000 watt. Now we'd have to transfer air conditioner units, switch back and forth, but we could technically run this whole boat off of the
Inverter.
Inverter. I
Yeah.
gotta shut the wash machines.
Anyway, so this air conditioner is a big. It is a big ordeal. It turned out 10 times better than we expected because of what we spent last year. I think it was $600 you spent on that portable.
Yeah, I don't know.
We already had a portable in here. This is my argument. We had a portable in here. It worked like shit, but it did okay. Then he bought another one, and I said, I'm not helping you with it because they don't work. And that one, it's the same thing. We didn't get any better out of it. You think it did, or?
I think maybe, but it was terrible.
It was terrible.
It was a fist fight the whole time. And then, but this is what I wanted to start with.
That's not completely 100% true.
I
If
said,
it was, we would have had it, Chief.
No.
Chief.
Okay.
Chief.
All right, I'll let it go.
I didn't go out and spend the money. I didn't spend the $650 for the last portable one. This is my money. I spent $400 on that one. $389 at a Home Depot. So that's the.
Hey, everybody's got to sleep at night. We'll have to tell a story.
Anyway, you guys, your budget-minded trollers, it is a very efficient way to cool because there's a few things advantages to it. One is all we have to do is take the front off here and clean out the air filter in it, hose off the back of it every once in a while, knock all the bugs and all the grime off of it. If we ever do take the boat out, it's kind of locked in there. It's not kind of, it is locked in there. We just throw a plastic bag around it. But this boat is a dry boat. It doesn't get any, doesn't take.
This boat never takes, we've done some pretty rough
stuff, and it doesn't take anything. I mean, if it was really rough out, we were driving around and we had that thing up there.
I still don't think it would because the way the window's over it.
I don't think it's got the dinghy protecting it. I'll take you guys up front here in a minute and I'll show you the installation of it. But I do think that it just turned out super clean. It's well protected. It's in the shade. It dissipates the heat like it needs to.
Yeah.
Everything just worked out perfect on it, and it was the best $400 we ever spent.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you what, the other day we're both in here watching TV at the end of the day, and I had to put a blanket on it. Yeah,
which we've never had to
do that, but no, not with any of the other air conditioners. Yeah. Now that doesn't mean someday I won't put a marine air back in here.
But we probably won't use it. It'll just be for resale reasons only.
Yeah, that would be the only reason I would put it in there is for resale only. And so I don't know. I don't know if I'll ever put it in because I absolutely love this. No barnacle buster. No having to worry about it. Another thing great about it is when we leave the boat, because we travel a little bit.
Yeah.
When we leave the boat,
quite a bit.
We can just leave that air conditioner on. We don't have to worry about water in the boat. We don't have to worry about water lines busting. We don't have to worry about a separate water pump. We don't have to worry about anything. We just turn it on. If we were to lose power for any reason, hey, so what? The air conditioner didn't come on, but it keeps the humidity out of here. It keeps this whole cabin right here, and I even think the kitchen's quite a bit cooler.
I think the kitchen's cooler too. I won't swear on it, and it might be just a feeling.
But we'll have to do more testing with it and stuff like that.
We both feel like the kitchen is cooler though.
Yeah,
because I do a lot of cooking in there because we don't buy fast food too much anymore.
Well, it shows.
I know. I like the bins.
Anyway, guys, let me take you outside here. Let me show you this outside installation and what it looks like. And Chief, why don't you show them the washing machine real quick, because it's a pretty cool little washing machine.
Really, here's our washing machine right here. It's brand new. It's all just touch control. Your little pull out right here. This was the old shelf that just fit on there perfect. We did have to notch this out right here, so all this works good. And then the door opens the opposite way on here, so that's the only thing that but we can live with that. And we just open it up. We just got done doing a load. Just did the sheets.
And just so you know what we do with our laundry, especially you budget-minded trollers, like we don't have the dryer connection on the end of that because we don't like the dryer one. So what we do here, let me show you real quick, is we both have hangers in our room, and we just hang the clothes. So we have the air conditioner, the marine air conditioner on, and we just hang them right there. That was a little laundry Pete did a few minutes ago.
Yeah. Now this I'm going to go put in the dryer just
because it's big and
it's getting late in the day.
And so otherwise we could hang that outside.
Hang it out, yeah.
But this is what we normally do with our clothes. Chief, let's take them outside and show them the outside installation of the new air conditioner.
All right.
All right, Chief, let's take them out here and show them.
All right.
I gotta wash this boat, Chief. That could be on my list tomorrow of things to do.
Right.
Anyway, you can see right here, all Pete did was cut 2 boards.
These right
Here, that board and the other board, and the air conditioner literally just fell right into place. You can see how well it's protected it is.
And see, this right here is this is the window, so it's just leaning
Right
up
on.
there. It kind of comes right over the thing there.
The only thing we're gonna add is a little brace right here.
Brace right here.
And then we did have to drill 2 holes on the other side. I'll take you around the other side there and let me show you that real quick. Let me just show them real quick, Chief. Show them the whole, don't show them half of it, let's show them the whole thing. How's that
And the
sound?
nice thing is it doesn't really stick up. You know, you don't really, it's not like to see a window unit hanging off the side of the boat. Or
No, yeah, that's what I like. So you can see right here, I had to drill 2 holes right here. And that gets rid of the water inside there. And then there's the board on the side over there. But it just, it's almost like you can't even see it. It kind of just disappears in the boat.
Yeah.
So I really, really like that. Now, we got lucky because we have an opening center front window. Some of you guys don't have that, but we happen to have it on a
Yeah.
Southern Estate here.
If we really wanted to get technical and really wanted to get nasty about this, we could have a piece of canvas made, went from here to here, and
yeah.
cover it 2 side panels. And
But I like it open like this because it dissipates that heat like it's supposed to.
Yeah.
Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Because we are budget-minded trawlers, and we have to live on a budget. And getting creative on how we spend our money and what we do with it. It makes a lot of sense to do something like this. And some people will disagree, but I love it. So we'll see what happens. We'll give you more and more reports and more feedback, especially if we try it out on the solar system, and then we check it out and see what it does. When it really starts getting hot, because it's not hot yet.
Yeah, it's not hot. It's actually beautiful down here.
Yeah,
so.
it's getting to be about 90, 86, 88 during the days, and but we're getting close to touching those 90-degree temperatures.
Yeah, and we can tell too, because we can tell the airflow in the cabin that we know that this is going to work a lot better.
Yeah, I think so. All right, guys, peace out. We're going to go back in here, enjoy a nice air-conditioned cabin this evening, and finish this laundry.